Good evening. I got information that there's a person works in the office called Janelle Chris Shum. His number is 07970 0790 732167. He's a housing officer. Name is Janelle. Ask about retesh. He needs to leave. Tell him what I said on YouTube. Tell him, contact him in the week anytime. Contact him this week or next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Contact housing officer. His name is Daniel Christian. He started working housing officer last year. He used to work down at North rehearsal room Monday, Tuesday. You can contact with Janelle Christian. Contact Janelle Christian. Is 07970 732167. Housing officer. Tell him about concern about retesh Patel. He's taking all of it. The thieves. He taking Jeffrey's stuff and taking Ryan's stuff and my stuff. I don't want him in the house property anymore. He's been living there for 7 years. This is the last time now. I don't want to talk to him anymore. No more retesh. Thank you for taking more time. Happy New Year. See you in the future. 2023. Goodbye.